field, rugged and real, out where we roll. Ball cap, resting up on the dash. There ain't no looking back. Load it up, let's go. Hit that highway off and running. You gotta have something you can trust in. Tough like American towns, tough like a Mississippi rolling down. Tough like hard-working hands that built this stuff. That's what's up. I'm talking tough like a state of mind. Tough like a soldier on the front line. Tough when it gets rough, like my poor truck, always enough. I'm talking tough.